So hello everyone, in this video tuturuan ko po kayo paano mag-convert to load pen and load po. So una, convert to load pen muna tayo, send money, click convert to load, then input transaction password, then merong lalabas dyan na OTP, either email or number. Then input mo lang, then click mo lang submit code. Then so, every time send ka ng convert to load file, iba-iba yung code na dumating sa ating Gmail. Submit mo lang, then successful na, then balik ka ulit sa system, then click buy load, then regular load. So, ayan, so smart ang luludan natin. Ayan, click smart 200, then mobile number, then transaction password. Then, meron na namang OTP kang matatanggap. Ayan, input mo lang yung OTP, then transaction password, then confirm. So, ayan. So, successful na ang ating pag-load. So, ayan, check natin sa ating message kung na-receive na ba natin yung load natin. So, ayan. So, dumating na yung load. So, real time. Thank you for watching and good morning.